Hi, in this lecture we are going to solve the CBSE Sample Paper 2019. Coming to the first option for question 23. A train takes 2 hours less for a journey of 300 kilometers if its speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour from its usual speed. Find the usual speed of the train. So let the usual speed of the train be s kilometers per hour. So in this case, what would be the time taken? What's the distance? Distance is 300 kilometers, right? So what will be the time taken with this speed, with the usual speed? Let's call it t1. That'll be distance by speed, which will be 300 by s hours. Now in the second case, when the speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour, so new speed will become what? S plus 5 kilometers per hour. The distance remains the same, so the new time taken will be t2. Again, distance by the new speed, these many hours, right? From the question, what is given? From the question, the time taken reduces by 2 hours, right? So 300 by s minus 300 by s plus 5, that should give me 2, right? Or take LCM as s into s plus 5, so s into s plus 5, so you will get 300 into s plus 5 minus 300 into s equal to 2. Then 300, if you take as common, you'll get s plus 5 minus s, and the denominator you take to the other side, so 2 into s plus 5 goes to the other side, or 300 into 5, because plus s and minus s cancel out, equal to 2 into s plus 5. Or this 2, if you bring to the denominator, will become 300 into 5 by 2, 2 and 300 will cancel 150 times, so 150 into 5 equal to s square plus 5s. Take all the terms on one side, so s square plus 5s minus 750 will be equal to 0. Now we'll split 5s into two parts, so that the product of those two numbers is minus 750 and the sum is plus 5. So plus 30s minus 25s minus 750 will be equal to 0. Or take s common, s plus 30, take minus 25 common, again you get s plus 30 equal to 0. Or s minus 25 into s plus 30 equal to 0. This means s minus 25 equal to 0, or s plus 30 equal to 0. This means s is equal to 25 or s equal to minus 30. Now this option is not possible because speed has to be positive. Therefore the usual speed of the train is 25 kilometers per hour. The second option for question 23, solve for x. So let's do that. 1 by a plus b plus x equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. or what we are going to do is we are going to shift this 1 by x to the LHS, and then why we are doing this is because it might get cancelled. Equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. In such questions you have to do this. Take the LCM here, a plus b plus x into x, so here will be x minus a plus b plus x equal to b plus a by ab. Now x minus, so this will be minus a minus b. Okay, let's open the bracket. Fine. By a plus b plus x into x equal to, I can write this as a plus b by ab, or this x and this x cancel, minus if I take common, so I'll get this by a plus b plus x equal to a plus b by ab. Now a plus b we can cancel out because, okay, a plus b plus x not equal to 0. A plus b we can cancel it out because a plus b is not equal to 0. If it's not given, we are going to assume it here. So minus of a plus b plus x into x equal to 1 by ab. Cross multiply, minus ab equal to x into a plus b plus x, or take everything to one side and open the bracket. You'll get x squared plus ax plus bx plus ab equal to 0. Take x common, x plus a. Take b common here, x plus a again. That means x plus b into x plus a equal to 0, or x plus b equal to 0, or x plus a equal to 0. This means x is either minus b or minus a. This is the answer. Question 24. An AP consists of 50 terms, so n is 50, of which the third term is 12 and the last term, A50, is 106. Find the 29th term. So the first term is not known and the common difference is also not known. So we are going to form two equations using A3 and A50, and then we'll calculate A1 and D, the first term and the common difference, and then using A1 and D we are going to find the 29th term. So A3, we're going to use an equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d, right? So a3 will be equal to a1, that we don't know, n will be 3 here, minus 1 into d. What is a3? 12 equal to a1 plus 2d. Let's call it 1. Again, a50 is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d would be this, or a50 is given to be 106 equal to a1 plus 49d. This is 2. Now let's eliminate a1 from 1 and 2. So 2 minus 1 will give 106 minus 12 equal to a1 will cancel, we'll get 49d minus 2d, or let's interchange the LHS and the RHS. We'll get 47d as 94, or d equal to 94 by 47, which is equal to 2. Therefore a1 will be 12 minus 2d equal to 12 minus 2 into 2, 4 equal to 8. This is from 1. So I substituted d equal to 2 in equation 1 to find the value of a1. Now what did we need to find? We needed to find a29. a29 is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d equal to a1 is 8 plus 29 minus 1 is 28 into d is 2. So 8 plus 56, that will give you 64. So 64 is the answer. Next question is question 25. Prove that in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So this is basically proving Pythagoras theorem. For this, we'll take a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, and we'll drop a perpendicular from B on AC at D. So this angle will also be 90 degrees. Now what do we have to prove? We have to prove that AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Now in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle BAD is equal to angle BAC. Why? Common angle. That's the common angle of the two triangles. And then again angle BDA equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, right? So therefore triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. Therefore can we say that AD by AB will be equal to AB by AC? Why? AB is the hypotenuse of the smaller triangle, AC is the hypotenuse of the bigger triangle ABC. So we take that ratio, that will be equal to the ratio of AD and AB. AD of the smaller triangle and the corresponding side to it in the bigger triangle would be AB. So this means just cross multiply, you'll get AB square as AD into AC. Let's call it 1. Now in triangle, take the other triangle BDC and triangle, again the bigger one, ABC. Angle DCB will be equal to angle ACB. Why? Again common angle. This angle is the common angle, right? Again angle BDC equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, right? Because BD is perpendicular to AC and triangle ABC is right angle at B. So therefore triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, again by AA similarity. So therefore CD by BC will be equal to BC by AC. Cross multiply, I'll get BC square as CD into AC. Now we need AB square plus BC square, so just add 1 and 2. 1 and 1 plus 2 will give AB square plus BC square equal to AD into AC plus CD into AC. Take AC common, get AD plus CD. What is AD plus CD? AD is this length, CD is this length, so AD plus CD would be nothing but AC, which is AC square. Therefore AB square plus AC plus BC square equal to AC square. Hence proved. Understood? Question 26. Draw a triangle ABC with sides 6 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm, and then construct a triangle similar to triangle ABC whose sides are 3/5 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So I'll tell you the steps. You can draw it with compass and pencil and ruler. Okay, so what you do is you draw this 9 cm line, name it BC, then from B you cut an arc of, okay, this is 9 centimeters. Then from B you cut an arc of, you draw an arc of 6 centimeters, and from C you draw an arc of 8 centimeters. This will give you the point A. When you join A to B and C, you will get the triangle ABC. That is the first part of the question. Now for the second part, you draw an acute angle, you construct an acute angle, let's say 60 degrees at point B downwards. So let's say this is what you drew, right? So CBX should be 60 degrees. So it's easy. You can make an arc like this and cut from here. That'll be 60 degrees. That's the easiest to make, right? Now, because the denominator of this fraction is 5, what you are going to do is you're going to make 5 equal divisions on this line BX. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth division you call it D. Now join D to C. Now the numerator of this fraction is 3, so count 3 units. 1, 2, 3. On the third part you draw a line parallel to CD and let it intersect BC at, let's say, E. And from E you draw a line, you construct a line parallel to AC and let it intersect AB at, let's say, F. Then triangle BEF will be the required triangle, will be the required similar triangle, let's say, right? You know how to construct a line parallel to another line. From this point you make an arc, make the same arc with the same radius here. Then from this point you measure this with the arc, and from this point you just cut that arc with the same radius. You'll get the line parallel to this line, right? Question 27. This is the first option for question 27. There's a man on top of a vertical observation tower. He observes a car moving at a uniform speed coming directly towards it. If it takes 12 minutes for the angle of depression to change from 30 degrees to 45 degrees, how long will the car take to reach the observation tower from this point? So let me show you the figure for this. So AB is the vertical observation tower with height h, and the car was initially at D. From D to C it reached in 12 minutes with a uniform speed, let's say U, and the angle of depression changed from 30 degrees to 45 degrees. So if this is 30 degrees, this will also be 30 degrees. If this is 45 degrees, this will be 45 degrees as well. So let U be the, let U meters per minute be the speed of the car. So therefore CD will be what? Speed into time. That will be 12 U meters. Now in triangle ABC, tan 45 will be what? AB by BC, or tan 45 is 1, AB is H, BC is, we're going to keep it as BC, so BC will be equal to H, right? Let's call it 1. Now in triangle ABD, we're going to calculate BD now. Tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by BD, or tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to AB is H and BD is, let's keep it as BD. This implies cross multiply, I'll get BD's as H root 3. Now BD minus BC is CD. Substitute the values from 1, 2 and then this value of CD. So H root 3 minus BC is H equal to CD is 12U, or U will be equal to H into root 3 minus 1 by 12. Fine. Now what do we need to find? We need to find the time the car would take to reach B from C. What is BC? BC is the distance that it needs to travel. So required time will be distance by speed. What is the distance? Distance is BC and speed is U. What is BC? BC is H. What is U? H into root 3 minus 1 by 12. So H cancels, 12 goes up, 12 by root 3 minus 1. So rationalize it, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. There will be 12 by root, this a minus b into a plus b, that will be a square minus b square. So root 3 ka square is 3 minus 1 ka square is 1 into root 3 plus 1 equal to 6 into root 3 plus 1. You can change root 3 to 1.732 and calculate the answer in decimals. So it will be these many minutes. Question 27, the second option. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meters above the surface of the water of a lake is 30 degrees and the angle of depression of its shadow from the same point in water of lake is 60 degrees. Find the height of the cloud from the surface of water. So, okay. So see, this is the water surface. DE is the water surface. A is where you are observing from, and C is the cloud position, and point A is 60 meters above the water surface. Now it's given that the angle of elevation here of the cloud from A is 30 degrees, right? Now the angle of depression of its shadow from the same point. So let's say the shadow or the reflection is formed at C dash, so angle of depression, this angle is given to be 60 degrees. We need to find the height of the cloud from the surface of water. So let BC be X. Now since AE is 60, what will BD be? This will also be 60 meters, right? Now let's try and solve it. So let's calculate AB from triangle ACB and from triangle AC-B and equate both the values. So in triangle ABC, tan 30 degrees is equal to X by AB, or 1 by root 3 equal to X by AB, or AB equal to root 3x. We just cross multiply. This is 1. In the other triangle, in triangle ABC dash, tan 60 degrees is equal to BC dash by AB. What is BC dash? BC dash is BD plus C dash D, right? Now what is BD? BD is 60. What is C dash D? Okay, divided by AB. What is C dash D? Now C dash D, this is what we want to find. Now see, because this C dash is the reflection of the cloud, therefore the distance of the image is equal to distance of the object from the reflecting surface. So DC will be equal to DC dash. So C dash D, I can write it as DC by AB. Now what is DC? DC is DB plus BC. That means it's 60 plus X by AB. And what was tan 60? Root 3. So I'll take root 3 to the other side, AB to the left hand side. So this will be 120 plus X by root 3. Let's call it 2. From 1 and 2, we're just going to equate from 1 and 2. Root 3x, this thing should be equal to this thing, 120 plus x by root 3. Take root 3 to the other side, becomes root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3x equal to 120 plus x, or x equal to 120, 2x equal to 120. Let's not skip any step. 120 by 2 equal to 60. So the height, required height of cloud will be equal to what? Is this. So that is x plus 60. So x plus 60 meters, that will be 60 plus 60 meters equal to 120 meters. Now in this question, don't get confused, because it is saying shadow. Don't think the shadow is formed on the water surface here. That'll be wrong. Okay, it's basically the reflection. You don't see the shadow on the surface of the water of a lake. Question 28. The first option for question 28. Median of the following data is 525. Find the values of x and y if the total frequency is 100. So first of all, let us write the cumulative frequency for each one of them. 2, 7, 7 plus x, 19 plus x, 36 plus x, 56 plus x, 56 plus x plus y, 65 plus x plus y, 72 plus x plus y, 76 plus x plus y. Now the total frequency is given to be 100, and that should be equal to 76 plus x plus y. So 76 plus x plus y should be equal to 100, or x plus y should be equal to 100 minus 76 equal to 24. Let's call it 1. Now n is equal to 100 is given here. Total frequency is 100, so n by 2 will be equal to 50. Now this 50 cumulative frequency falls in this class. So this is the median class. So median class is what? Median class is 500 to 600. I'll tell you the reason why we did not choose 400 to 500 as the median class. Now what is the formula for median? Median is given by L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. What is median? Is 525. It's given in the question. 525 equal to, what is L? It's 500 plus n by 2 is 50 minus C is 36 plus X divided by F is 20 into H is 100. Fine, we'll get 525 minus 500 equal to, it was 50 minus 36 minus X by 20 into 100. This goes 5 times, or 25 equal to 14 minus X into 5, or 14 minus X equal to 25 by 5, or 14 minus X equal to 5, or X equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9. Therefore Y will be equal to 24 minus 9 equal to 15. So this is the answer. Now had we chosen this as the median class, then you would not get X and Y as integers, as whole numbers, and you see these are frequencies, so they have to be whole numbers. So by mistake also, if you choose 400 to 500, you will not get whole number values of X and Y, so you will need to change that median class to 500 to 600 in the examination, during the examination. Question 28, there is a second option for question 28. Following data indicates the marks of 53 students in mathematics. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, okay. Draw less than type ogive for the data above and hence find the median. So let's again find the cumulative frequencies. This is 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 15, 19, 23, 30, 39, 46 and 54. So this thing is 54. This is 54. Okay, now we have the cumulative frequencies. Now to draw the less than type ogive, we need to plot the points 10, 5, 20, 8, 30, 12 and so on. And then let's find what is n here. N here is 54, so n by 2 will be 27, right? So let's plot the ogive, and then at y equal to 27 we'll draw a horizontal line, we'll see where it intersects the ogive, and then we'll drop a perpendicular down to find the value on the x-axis. That will be the median. So this is the ogive. Okay, okay, this is the ogive. We'll draw line n by 2 was what? 54 by 2 equal to 27. So 27, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7. This is the one. This is the one. So That's the one, right? So you drop a perpendicular down 1 2 3. It seems it's 67. So this is 67, so median will be 67. This is basically the process. So if you draw it accurately on the graph paper and draw straight lines, then you'll probably get the median probably as 66 or 68 or even 65. So whatever value you get here on the x-axis will be the median. Question 29. The radii of circular ends of a bucket of height 24 centimeters are 15 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Find the area of its curved surface. Let me show you the figure for it. There. So this is the bucket. Let's call this point O. So we know the curved surface area of such a figure is given by pi into r plus r into L, where L is the slant height, which will be equal to BC. So first we'll find BC in this figure and then we'll substitute to get the curved surface area. So let's start from here. Solution. So what will be EC? EC will be CF minus BO. This is BO, this is 5. So this will be 5, right? So C will be 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 equal to 10 centimeters. What is BE? BE is 24 centimeters. That's given. That's the height of the bucket. So therefore, what will be BC? So BC square will be equal to BE square plus EC square using Pythagoras theorem in triangle BEC. Pythagoras theorem, right? Equal to, what is BE square? Is 24 square plus EC square will be 10 square equal to 576 plus 100 equal to 676. Therefore BC will be root over 676, that will be 26 centimeters. Now therefore required curved surface, let's write in full, curved surface area is equal to pi into r plus r into L. That will be equal to 22 by 7 into capital R is 15, small r is 5 into L is 26 centimeter square. 22 by 7 into 20 into 26 centimeter square. So this will be 440 into 26 by 7 centimeter square equal to 26 4s are 104, 10 carry over, 26 4 104, 114, 1 additional 0 by 7 centimeter square equal to 7 1 is 7, 44 6, so 42, 24 3 21, 30 4 is 28, 20 will be 2 times 14, 68, 7 8s are 56, then 40 again, then 5, approximately, you can say it's approximately 1634.3 centimeters square. This is the answer. This brings us to the last question, question 30. If sec theta plus tan theta equal to p, then find the value of cosec theta. So given is sec theta plus tan theta equal to p. Let's call it 1. Now what is sec square theta minus tan square theta? That's a standard result. It's equal to 1, right? Now can I write sec square theta minus tan square theta as sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta using a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Or now sec theta plus tan theta is given to be p into sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1, or sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. Let's call it 2. Now let's add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 will give this sec theta and this sec theta, so 2 sec theta plus tan theta and minus tan theta, they get cancelled out. We have p plus 1 by p, or 2 sec theta equal to p square plus 1 by p, or sec theta is equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. So what is sec theta? Sec theta is the inverse of cos theta, right? And cos theta is base by hypotenuse, so this will be hypotenuse by base. So if hypotenuse, let's say let the hypotenuse be equal to p square plus 1, and let the base be 2p. So what will the perpendicular be? It will be hypotenuse square minus base square and root over that, right? This will be p to the power 4 plus 1 plus 2p square minus 4p square square root equal to p to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2p square square root. This will be p square minus 1 whole square square root equal to plus minus p square minus 1, right? So therefore what did we need to find? We wanted to find cosec theta. Therefore cosec theta will be what? Is the inverse of sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so cosec theta will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse is what? P square plus 1, and perpendicular is what? P square minus 1, or the other value is p square minus 1 and minus of this. So therefore we can say cosec theta equal to p square plus 1 by p square minus 1, or p square plus 1 by, this is 1 minus p square. So there are two possible values of cosec theta.